It's a bit small.
They were so
Do you want to write it now or the paper? We're gonna, to begin with, well, the coach is in front, so it's up to you. Okay, we got
Oh, wait, yeah.
okay. So you might be better to carry on just a little bit. I'm not sure how you. Just depends how many people are getting lost.
Yeah.
That's all.
Okay.